Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Today's video is Centaur Pharmaceuticals Private Limited. These walk-in are conducted at 21st July 2024 Sunday and time is 9:30 AM to 5:30 PM. And interview location is Hotel Sarovar Residency, plot number 180, Tarapur, MIDC, Maharashtra. And walk-in position is Production Chemist Officer Executive. And experience is 4 to 8 years of experience. And next, shift in charge experience is 8 to 12 years of experience. Next, stores warehouse deputy manager experience is 12 to 15 years of experience. Next, quality assurance training coordinator and executive senior executive, QMS deputy manager, QMS executive senior executive, and vendor management, IPQA executive, APQR preparation, document issuance officer, senior officer, and experience is 6 to 14 years of experience. And coming to the education and qualification, BSc, MSc chemistry. And important note is qualification required for production, MSc, BSc chemistry, quality assurance, MSc chemistry. Only API experience candidate worked in regulatory approved environment such as US FDA should attend the interview. FDA approved person shall be preferred. Candidate should be ready to work in all shifts. Previously interviewed within 6 months, candidate should not attend this walk-in. Interested must carry resume and one passport size photograph. Candidate can mail the resume on the following email address and call and mention the number. Please refer description box for HR email ID and contact details. For more job updates, please join our WhatsApp group. Our WhatsApp group link is available in description box below. These are the details regarding walk-in interview. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share to your friends and family members. Thank you for watching this video. For job updates, subscribe to YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert. Bye. See you in the next video.